Page 180, Waltz in F major. I guess we know what key it's in, F major. This is a lesson on harmonizing. We've done this again and again and again. So I'll just use the same process I've used before. First, I want to hear the melody. What is it? As far as the fingering goes, I just want a fingering that lets me connect the notes. Whatever. So it's here. 3, 1, and 2. It's a waltz, and it's in 3/4 time, by the way. I looked at all that over. I pretend you did too, okay? 1, Okay, so that's what the melody sounds like. Next, I want to make sure I know what the chords are. At the beginning, just block chords. And then a C7 is here, but they want the E on the bottom, so I got to put the C on top. Actually, it's a 5/7 chord. You don't have to play all 4 notes, so I'm just going to go 1 chord to the 5/7 chord. And then they want a G minor chord is here. I'm trying to stay close to where I'm at. And then a D minor chord, and then a B flat chord. I don't know whether to go here or here. I'll go here. I mean, I could go here. I could use an inversion, but they're not saying inversion, so they want the root apparently. So it's and then an F chord, and then the C7 with the E on the bottom, like the 5/7 chord. F. Measure 10, back to the 5/7, 1 chord, D minor, measure 13, an F chord, 5/7, 1. Okay, I sort of know what the chords are. Now I want to hear what that harmony sounds with the melody. So again, block chords here. 5/7, G minor, D minor, B flat. I don't know whether to go here or what. D minor, F, 5/7. Okay, now we can try their broken chord pattern. You can use any broken chord pattern. They do the chuck chuck. So I don't play anything on the pickup beat. That's just melody here. You could, but I don't need to. So let's here. D minor. B flat. Or try some other pattern. You can do that. Or mix it out. Whatever. It's up to you. You don't have to play quarter notes on the left hand. 1 quarter note rest. Rest. There's all kinds of patterns you can try, and you don't have to play the same pattern through all the way. You can change. There's a note here. They want you to transpose this to G major. So we're going to go from F major up 1 to G major. Everything goes up a second. We have 1 sharp, so all the F's are going to be sharped. So the melody just goes up 1. Just remember the F sharps. Now it's G major, and then. Every note goes up 1 note. So instead of an A, it's a B, G, D, so forth. The chords, well, take them up 1. Instead of an F, it's a G chord. All the chords are going up a step here, and then the 5/7, instead of a D minor, it's an E minor. A B flat, instead of a B flat, it's a C chord. Back to the G chord, and that's basically the chords. Then you're playing the melody up here and the chords here, and okay, knock yourself out with that one. Take it slow and easy. It's good exercise because you get used to, you don't get used to it, you get better at it, transposing. And the chords, transposing the chords and transposing the melody comes in handy if you're going to accompany singers, because they'll say, I can't sing it in that key, put it in this key. And you'll say, okay.